Imagine you've just landed in a new city, and you're waiting at baggage claim. The carousel stops, but your luggage is nowhere to be found. What do you do next?
Excuse me, my luggage is missing. Can you help me find it?
Sure. Do you have your baggage tag?
Yes, here it is.
We will track your luggage. Where are you staying so we can deliver it to you?
Let's practice key phrases. Repeat the sentence after me. My luggage is missing. Good job. Here is my baggage tag. Great. Can you deliver my luggage to my hotel? May I have the claim reference number, please? Great job.
Key tips to stay prepared. Tip 1. Always keep your baggage tag until you collect your luggage.
Tip 2. Know the address of your hotel or accommodation. Tip 3. Ask for a reference number for your luggage claim.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to keep learning with Terminology Tutor.